Five benefits of network marketing for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how network marketing can be a great way for beginners to start building their business and learn more about the industry. My name is Bill. In this video, I want to talk about 5 benefits joining a network marketing company as a beginner. You might think that it's too late or there's no point, but today I'm going to show you otherwise. Before we go much further, let me share a disclaimer with you. Network marketing, MLM, direct marketing are real businesses. They are not get-rich-quick schemes. If anyone ever tries to tell you that they are, run away. With any business, it takes dedication, determination, and consistency. The information here is my opinion and is based on my experience and research. Use this information at your own risk. Network marketing has gotten a bad reputation over the years. I think the primary reason for this is because people don't understand what it takes to build a business. And I'm not just talking about multi-level marketing or network marketing business. I'm talking about any business. The problem is that people get into network marketing thinking they can build a business overnight. Instead of selling a service or product that the network marketing business is designed to sell, people sell dreams. I believe everything starts with a dream, but it takes work and dedication to transform that dream into reality. They sell the dream or the idea of the dream on the premise that it's just going to happen, and then very little effort or any in return has to be invested. The investment is always going to be a mixture of time and money. Depending on which one you have more of will determine how much of each. So as a result, network marketing gets a black eye. I'm going to share with you 5 of the many benefits that are actually out there. If you gave it some thought, you could probably think of many more. 1. Network marketing or MLM has the ability to be a 6 or 7-figure business. The nice thing about this type of business is it takes very little money upfront to get started in comparison of the earning potential. Generally speaking, a 6 or 7-figure business would cost tens of thousands of dollars to start, and that would be a good deal. In network marketing, you can start your business for a low fee, usually around $50 to $500, depending on the business you choose. Your monthly investment is generally on product and services that you consume yourself. 2. Network marketing is the best vehicle to create passive income. Once you make an investment and as your business starts to grow, it continues to pay you even when you're sleeping. This is the definition of true passive income or a passive business. This doesn't mean that it doesn't require work and effort to maintain it, but it means that the work you did yesterday continues to pay dividends for days, months, and even years into the future. Doing this consistently allows a person to be free for the 8 to 5 grind and be able to make the kind of income that would give them the freedom that they desire. 3. Network marketing is the best home-based business in the world. Your business will require you to invest some money on a monthly basis. The money you spend to be a qualified independent business owner and the overhead to grow your business is minimal. The qualifying monthly investment in the network marketing business is very low in comparison to the possible income that can be generated. A network marketing business does not require any rent, special business services, or any outstanding expenses. Most of the business can be grown with what you already have at your fingertips. You can start right at home. No need to spend money on an office somewhere. The business equipment can be an internet connection and your phone. Sure, you may need to make some investment in growing your business, but even those are minimal and don't need to be expensive. 4. Growing a network marketing business can be a very simple process. Network marketing is a duplicatable business, meaning that it needs to remain simple so that other people are able to do the same thing you are. Where people get in trouble is when they try to make it difficult or reinvent the wheel. The simple process of growing a network marketing business is contacting qualified prospects, giving a presentation, and having a group meeting where people are invited. This doesn't change. The nice thing is today we have so much technology at our fingertips. Done right, you can reach thousands of people who are looking for the type of business you have. The process of growing your network marketing business has not changed. What has changed is that it's easier today than ever with the internet to do these things. They just have to be done right. 5. Network marketing is designed to pay you dividends on everybody's business volume in your group. This is providing that you are meeting your monthly requirements. A monthly business volume is necessary of any MLM or network marketing business. Everybody must do their part. This volume should, however, never require that you buy inventory and should consist of just what you are personally going to use. There is no other business you can build that allows you to have a percentage of the entire volume sales within a given group. That is without owning the entire company. When you look at these benefits, it makes network marketing an ideal solution to not only having the time freedom you need or want today, but also for providing a retirement lifestyle that you want. Untold millions of Americans don't have enough retirement set aside to maintain their current lifestyle when they retire. People everywhere are looking to start some kind of business to have time freedom to do the things they want to do. People have dreams and no vehicle to transform those dreams into reality. It will take work and dedication over time, but network marketing is an option that makes it possible to achieve not only your current lifestyle, but a much more comfortable one, not to mention to have the income to provide the additional care that you may need someday. I hope this video is helpful. Please show your support of this channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Also, there's a free training in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please put those in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.